In this video I will show you how to infinite logo design in Illustrator. Go to Circle tool. Draw the circle shape. Go to Edit and choose Copy. Go to Edit and choose Paste in front. Now we will shrink this circle inwards. Follow these process. Now we will select all of them. Now we will press Alt and Shift and drag them downwards. Now we will take the Shape Builder tool. And we will combine all of these into one. Now we will take the Gradient tool. Now we will adjust the gradient color. Now we will apply the gradient color to the logo. Follow the process. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.